Hi friends, let me show you this new dog booster seat that I received for reviewing purposes. You can see it comes packed like with a vacuum system, so it's really compact. Let me open it. It will start to get air inside, so it will go to its original size. You can see it comes vacuum packed, so it uses less space and it will get its size. I just have to give it a few minutes. Okay, you can see this is a black option. It's a car seat. Okay, it has this plastic finish in the bottom, so it will have a better grip in the car seat. And with this strap, you will get it. You will put it in the headrest, and this one is to leash your dog to it. Okay, you also have these ones to buckle it up to the car seat. Also, you can get the cover off with this zipper and clean it away. So it's a nice car seat. It will get to its full size in a few minutes, and let's try it in our car. Now we are going to install it. Okay, he wants to jump in already. First, you can put the buckle through these leashes, like this. And buckle it up so it will be firmly in the car. Okay, now with this strap, you put it through the headrest and we are ready to go. You have side bags like this to put toys or treats or whatever you want for your dog, and you could even leash it if you want. As you can see, your dog can be traveling comfortably, very comfortable with you in this seat. You can put it in the back seat or in the front seat. We use it in the back seat so he is more comfortable. And well, it's a great option if you have one pet and you want it to ride with you. Really easy and comfortable. So when you are going to travel, you can leash your dog with this strap to his vest, and it will go, it will be more comfortable and easier for you to keep it in the seat. Okay, if he wants to go, he will be leashed so he can come back easily. This is a perfect option for you if you want to bring your pet with you on the road. Thank you.